We should note, usually when we talk about offenses, there's minor offense or simple offense. There are also serious or indictable offense. There are capital offenses. In this sort of offenses, there are conditions for bail. When somebody is being charged to court, maybe for a simple offense, for instance, usually below 6 years, I mean, a 2-year jail term for a simple offense, right? But if it gets to a serious offense or, capital offense, usually capital offenses are life imprisonment cases or death sentence, instances such as murder and all the rest. So in this case, Stone was charged for murder and belonging to secret society. A lot of other, counts were placed on this charge that was brought against him. What is the right thing for the judge to do is to look at the affidavits, look at what the prosecution is saying or what the person who wants to be granted, the defendant is saying. Why should I grant you bail? Right? He is saying that he is sick. The judge will look at, okay, does it mean that the prison facility or the correctional center do not have, sufficient facility to take care of your illness? Is this illness a communicable disease that can be transferred or transmitted to other inmates in the correctional facility? These are some of the things or the factors that will be looked at. This person, his behavior in court, does it look like somebody who would harm other people when he's, granted bail? Would he, influence the prosecution or further investigation of the case? Will he destroy evidence if he's granted bail? Is he a flight risk? All of these factors will be considered before bail will be granted. If you check the character or behavior of Stone in court, he has been frequent, consistently coming to court. Secondly, he has a debilitating illness, sickness that can take his life. If he dies, what is now the essence of the prosecution? So that is why, or these are some of the factors. And he brought medical report to that effect to show that indeed he was, sick. So he deserves that level of, freedom. Besides, he has not been convicted. Yes, the offense is a grievous one, a murder charge, it does not have to be treated with levity. The court has to be serious with it. But this illness, it has shown that something could happen at any time. So he deserves that level of freedom for him to at least first take care of yourself before you even face the charge against you. And these are some of the factors, that the court considered before, he was granted bail in this matter.